Hello students and welcome back to Short of Search classes. This is real analysis and we are solving problems on sequences. This is the third video, so if you haven't checked out our previous videos, I suggest you go check them out. And you have any doubt or any query, you can call or WhatsApp us on this number at 98367-93076. And if you want to check out more cool stuff, head over to our website at www.shortofcirclasses.com. Alright, so we have a sum. It is a little bit trickier than the previous one, so we are required to show that limit n tends to infinity, n squared plus 3n plus 5 by 2n squared plus 5n plus 7 is equal to half. So how do we proceed? Okay, so the answer, let's begin by, let the sequence be, let fn equal to n squared plus 3n plus 5 divided by 2n squared plus 5n plus 7, and let epsilon greater than 0 be given. Alright, so we can write fn minus half is equal to n squared plus 3n plus 5 by 2n squared plus 5n plus 7 minus half is equal to n plus 3 by 2 into 2n squared plus 5n plus 7, and this is actually less than n plus 3. This is actually 3n, so this is actually less than 3, 2 into 2n squared. Oops, put the wrong n in the wrong place. Yeah, n plus 3n, n plus 3n, and this is by 2 into 2n squared plus 5n plus 7, and this sums up to, this is equal to 2n by 2n squared. If you just cancel, this becomes 4n, so this becomes 2n squared plus 5n plus 7, which is less than 2n by 2n squared. Okay, so if you just cancel these two out, then you will have 1 by n. Now 1 by n is less than epsilon if n is greater than 1 by epsilon. So according to the definition, let's fix m equals to 1 by epsilon. In fact, let m be greater than equal to 1 by epsilon. So not equal to, greater than, because it might not hold if it's equal to 1 by epsilon. So let's suppose this is fixed, that m is greater than 1 by epsilon, and by the definition there exists, then for epsilon greater than 0 there exists a positive integer m such that if n minus half is less than epsilon for all n greater than equal to m. This implies that if n is convergent and if n converges to half. So the limit of n squared plus 3n plus 5 by 2n squared plus 5n plus 7 equals half. So thank you for watching this video. I'll be back with more in our next videos. Stay tuned.